Here's the drinks really quick. This is a blue like Powerade or Gatorade, and this is a sugar-based cucumber. It's really good. Huh? I don't know. So it's $6.50 a person. So that's like what? $6.50 is what? $11? $12? Something like that. We'll do the math. Hey, Google and check it out. But it's real cheap. It's really good. Kristen is loving it.
This is spicy.
Need gloves and oh, it's a spicy one. Yeah, she's a crab fanatic. She loves crab. And the shells and all that stuff, yeah. And cucumber water.
Yeah, I've been eating meat for the how many?
We're making her eat steak and stuff like that. But, all right, that's a quick preview of this restaurant, and this restaurant's really good. You guys are ever in SM Mall? Yeah, here in Baguio. This is a cool place. It's on the the bottom floor, but it's not really. It's the second floor. But yeah, they got like 5 floors here, so it's crazy. The mall's pretty big. It overlooks everything. But all right, thank you. All right, here we are, Burnham Park, doing the rides. I know where Kristen is. She rode down that way, and there's a big crowd. So I don't know. I don't know if her little legs can kick the pedals good enough. Oh, there she is. There she is. My pocket? You want it? That one guy was getting mad at me because I wouldn't give him 50 pesos. I was like, no.
For what?
He's trying to scam me for fake glasses, fake Oakleys. Help me, help me, help me. No. Get out of here. Bumper cars. Oh, sorry about that. And there she goes by again. All right. Pedal, 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 fast. And then she got ran into. The driving skills, the skills, the no skills. It's like crossing traffic for real. See, she picked up speed the last time. Let's see if she's got it this time coming up. There's a lot of people out here right now, so it makes it hard. She wants to go on the boats next, so we'll see about that. Haha. This is only 50 pesos to do this for like a half hour, so fun, fun, fun. That's why there's so many kids. We'll see. I think she's down right there. Nope. I think she got bottled up in a traffic jam down there. We'll see. There's people walking around all over the place trying to sell you flexible sunglasses that they beat with a coin, showing you that they're unbreakable. I mean, they bend them, and most of them are cool, but that first guy I ran into, he was horrible. Huh? He kept on cussing me out and yelling at me. Oh, here she comes right here. Right here. Yeah, I seen. You like it when you can go faster, don't you? You like it when you can go faster, don't you? Here, I'll give you a boost. You ready? Bring your wheels to the left. This is speeding along.
I feel like I'm driving a car.
Yeah. So she's liking it. Yeah, it works. It's awesome. All right, and here's the boats.
What dinosaur is this? Try mo din kasi kamay.
Wala na mag-text na.
No, just she's. Run them up. Keep your legs straight. What are you doing? Keep your legs straight, Goop. Here, put your foot down. Put your foot down. No, this down. Oh, that sucks. What are you doing?
It's too hard, Nathan.
No, it's easy. You just gotta have balance. Right here. Pull yourself up.
I just want to turn around. Did I see
Turn around. What are you doing? Keep your legs straight.
Where are we going?
And slide. You're gliding. You're not walking, you're gliding. You're gonna go over to the next railing, right?
Huh?
Go over to the next railing. Come on.
Wait.
Keep your legs straight. Keep your balance. You want to stay in front of the roller skate. You gotta stay in front of the roller skate. Don't. Just glide, glide, glide. Glide. Don't walk. Glide. Anywhere you want to go. Grab it, grab it.
Oh my gosh!
What are you doing? All right, Christy, come to me. I get the roller skates, they're easier. See how you
like
just
I walk.
glide. No, when you're walking, but don't pick your feet up. Push, push. No, you gotta push out. Hold on, watch. The push, you gotta push this way. Use this one and then push. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, and then push. Like you're skating like it. Watch my feet.